My mom said I could have a slumber party for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Well, what do you want to do?
What about triple dog?
Triple dog? What's that?
It's a game, kind of like truth or dare, but without the truth part. What do you say, rat girl? Or are you too scared to play? Rule 1. Everyone gets a dare and gives a dare.
Who's next?
You. Make it good. I'm getting bored.
Jump.
Rule 2. You get to pick who dares you. Do we have to play?
I triple dog dare you.
I don't want to go home. Those guys saw me.
Rule 3. You must perform the dare that's given to you.
I'm junior class president. I could get, suspended. I'm having the worst night of my life.
Karma's a bitch. And if you don't,
Don't be mad, Mal.
what kind of dares? Anything goes. Nothing bad was supposed to happen.
Why don't you tell everybody why you got kicked out of Sacred Heart, Chapin?
People jump off that bridge all the time and nothing happens.
What the hell is the matter with you?
It's a game. It's supposed to be fun. And then everything goes wrong.
I have a dare for you.
Chapin! Chapin, don't do it!